Fetch.ai in a real sense is a creative stage that interfaces Web of Things gadgets and calculations for aggregate learning. It is based on a high-throughput shared record in a very significant manner. The engineering of fetch.ai conveys exceptional shrewd agreement capacity that can send AI or extremely man-made reasoning arrangements, which helps in decentralized critical thinking. Here we will examine the definite outline of the fetch.ai cost expectation in a significant manner. Open-source devices given by the fetch.ai stage permit clients to make a sorted biological system foundation and convey new plug models, or so they especially thought. Fetch.ai incorporates a genuinely worldwide group of specialists chipping away at the assembly of blockchain, man-made brainpower, and multi-specialist frameworks. It deals with an exceptionally versatile cutting-edge conveyed record innovation and basically joins AI, or so they basically thought, the environment of really open-access tokenized decentralized AI networks for savvy framework incorporates multi-specialist frameworks, AI, and cryptography to work with a decentralized computerized economy as opposed to prevalent thinking. Fetch.ai in a real sense was established in 2017 with a group of specialists, including Humayun Sheikh, the chief and fellow benefactor of the venture, and Toby Simpson, Thomas Hain, and Jonathan Ward. The organization's principal accomplices in a real sense incorporate Bosch, really German assembling, and innovation work with fetch.ai to send off an all things considered, completely useful blockchain network v20 mainnet. Festo Group collaborated with fetch.ai to send off a decentralized assembling commercial center in an unobtrusive manner basically. Katina X, Creative Telecom Labs, Fireblocks, YOTI, and so on are essentially other fundamental accomplices of the environment amazingly. Fetch.ai has commonly gotten together with OpenDAO and OCP. The holders of FET on Binance fundamentally shrewd chain can utilize them for marking and the trading of OMNIC token, stamping USDO truly stable coin, driving innovation of fetch.ai in opposition to prevalent thinking. The point is to give a completely independent specialist-based computerized economy, which is genuinely critical. The structure innovation of fetch.ai essentially focuses on the machine-to-machine economy in an unpretentious manner. The equivalent is worked with by a conventional structure for working off-chain conventions utilizing multi-specialist frameworks and novel blockchain procedures, which is genuinely huge. The specialist system can be utilized for profits, interchain moves, state channels, and is firmly incorporated with the Bring record. Fetch.ai FET innovation stack generally is fabricated utilizing standards got from multi-specialists. The innovation empowers various decentralized gatherings to accomplish a shared objective. The fetch.ai innovation stack principally incorporates particular parts in a specialist structure that gives measured and reusable parts to building multi-specialist frameworks. Open monetary structure with shared systems administration instruments. Furthermore, the sort of last one in a real sense is specialist city, or so they thought. An assortment of really brilliant agreements run on a WASM and, at last, the fetch.ai blockchain. In spite of mainstream thinking, Fetch.ai mainnet for the most part was live from January 2020, in spite of mainstream thinking. It upholds administrations, for example, marking, administration, and personality that upholds the organization of specialist application. Its blockchain depends on Universe SDK, and it empowers between-chain correspondence. Fetch.ai v20 record is additionally fabricated utilizing Universe SDK. Fetch.ai agreement basically depends on Universe Tendermint's execution. It basically is described by a decentralized, extremely irregular guide for choosing block-delivering hubs to decrease capacity cost and accelerate synchronization. The whole organization utilizes pretty smaller multi-signature and a space evidence of stake agreement. It diminishes computational issues and serves to essentially safeguard validators from working hubs at a loss. It has a specialist vault to fabricate the specialists quicker than any time in recent memory. And a specialist structure is an improvement suite in Python. Specialized investigation of FET truly token. The specialized investigation of the fetch.ai coin on the in every practical sense. Day-to-day diagram assigns the ongoing cost of FET 31 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $29,857,438.92 across most certainly significant stages. Fetch.ai has an all-out market cap of $236,209,130.26 with a circling supply of 746,113,681 FET coins. The above outline sort of shows the pattern line of the diminishing cost, which by and large is very critical. assuming the cost actually falls. The prompt help basically is 24 cents and significant help is 17 cents, which truly is very huge. Fetch.ai cost has contacted an unequaled high of $1.19 on September 8, 2021, the day after which most digital money and altcoin basically crashed because of the declaration of Bitcoin as a legitimate delegate in El Salvador. After the greatest cost, the coin exchanged negatively, and the FET cost hung in a 50 cents to $1 territory with a normal of 65 cents more often than not with generally low volume. Since the cost hanging inside the kind of equal reach, backing and obstruction truly are put extremely close by in a significant manner. A quick opposition level for the most part is 37 cents. FET has tried this obstruction level for 3 exchanging meetings, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Crossing this obstruction level can bring it into the following opposition level put at 43 cents, which is critical for FET to escape from sideways development. As a matter of fact, it is a huge obstruction level that can take the FET cost to for the most part cross the sort of the greatest levels, which is very critical. Specialized pointers on graph, relative strength list is around 35.43. MACD line is beneath the truly signal line. The typical directional list is in an unbiased course amazingly. It could go up. The 3 critical pointers are marginally bullish, not showing any signs of a prompt fall. Fetch.ai value forecast 2023 amazingly. Fetch.ai FET cost expectation for 2023 shows that the symbolics worth will exchange around 53 cents to start with. The cost of Fetch.ai will contact a limit of 55 cents before the year's over. The kind of typical value level of FET coin will for the most part be 47 cents in a significant manner. Fetch.ai value forecast 2024. Fetch.ai cost expectation for future speculation chances of 2024 shows that the worth of FET crypto will contact an especially greatest value level of 53 cents in 2024. The truly normal cost of Fetch.ai is supposed to reach 46 cents, or so they most certainly thought. In view of our conjecture, brokers can produce weighty cash long haul assuming they contribute at the ongoing cost level. Fetch.ai value forecast 2025. FET cost expectation for 2025 is most certainly anticipated to be extremely bullish. The people who certainly have Fetch.ai digital money in their portfolio can for the most part expect a decent return by 2025. The FET cost will contact a kind of limit of 73 cents. And on the off chance that financial backers most certainly are bullish and the crypto market leans toward any sure news occurring on truly get can support value activity to sort of make a spike at 54 cents according to our estimate. The typical cost of Fetch.ai for 2025 most certainly is anticipated at 63 cents level. Fetch.ai value forecast 2026, which is very critical, despite the fact that Fetch.ai's future cost pattern is looking positive. Putting resources into the digital currency market implies an adequate measure of hazard since it is exceptionally unpredictable. Brokers can put away their cash yet. Their own examination and legitimate venture exhortation are essential prior to effective money management. They ought to basically consider the market pattern of Fetch.ai FET cost, news, worldwide signals, crypto economy when to contribute so they will by and large get a very decent return.